to the dihybrid cross using the FOIL method. What is dihybrid cross? A dihybrid cross describes a mating experiment between two organisms that are identically hybrid for two traits. So meaning in the monohybrid, we are only crossing one characteristic, but here for the dihybrid, we are crossing two contrasting characteristics. It is a cross that involves two pairs of contrasting traits of a character. For example, when a cross is made between yellow round and wrinkled green seeds, which are both homozygous, plants with only yellow round seeds are seen in the F1 generation, but in the F2 generation, four types of combinations are observed. So let's take, for example, we have two characteristics here. We are showing the shape, which is represented by the round and the wrinkled. The round is the dominant characteristic and the wrinkled is the recessive one. And then, of course, the color of the seed. Yellow is the dominant characteristics, while green is the recessive one. So given the cross heterozygous round and heterozygous yellow crossed with another heterozygous round and heterozygous yellow. But for we to perform a dihybrid cross, we have to put here and here. But what combinations of genotypes or characteristics should be placed there? So the answer is the FOIL method. F is for first, O is for outside, I is for inside, L is for last. So again, we have here the genotype heterozygous round and heterozygous yellow. So we have the first, the outside, the inside, and the last. So these are the combinations of genotypes that we have to put in the crosses. Use this example. So given the cross heterozygous round and heterozygous yellow crossed with another heterozygous round and heterozygous yellow. So always remember that we always have to put the capital or the dominant characteristic first, regardless where we get it, whether from the top or from the side. So from the result, we get 9 round and yellow seeds, 3 round and green seeds, 3 wrinkled and yellow seeds, and 1 green and wrinkled seed. Ended up having these results. So we have a yellow round, a yellow wrinkled, a green round, and green wrinkled. So we have 9 yellow round seeds, 3 green round seeds, 3 yellow wrinkled seeds, and green wrinkled seeds. So we have a ratio of 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1.